that is zoned industrial. You all helped us with the rezoning of the Lot B, and it has a huge capacity to be an economic development project that could be transformative for Amherst County. That's why we're going so hard on this site. It's very rare to find an industrial site that has all your different utilities. It's the only one like it in the region that has both rail and gas served. The Lot D actually could have 1 million square foot building on it. We've had 2 prospects already come down through the state. One of them is a $1.5 billion prospect with about 400 great paying jobs, and the other one is more like 219 million. So it is being looked at by a lot of different potential prospects, also because it has transmission lines from APCO going through the site, which allows it to be heavy industrial. Of course, you have to plan for that traffic. We did have, as part of the Virginia Business Readiness Sites Program previous grant that we've been working on, a lot of due diligence, including a traffic impact analysis. And that showed that there needed to be some road upgrades and infrastructure put in if and when this prospect were to come. So in anticipation of that, we've been working, the EDA has been working with VDOT about how can we approach this. This would be for a design-only grant. It is not construction. And what it would do is design different roads that are going to be impacted by the site if and when we get our prospect. So up here you can see Lot D, that's the very large lot, the potential for 1 million square foot pad. And where Mitchell Bell comes out up the top, and it's going to feed into 130, and there's going to be traffic coming down Dillard Road. They're looking for some turn lanes at that location. As you know, there's a lot of traffic there anyways. Whether or not there's ever an industrial prospect there, it'll still be a really healthy thing for the county. For additional access for that large lot, and then also for Lot B, there'll need to be turn lanes on Dillard. And this shows the secondary access road going into Lot D, which we've put in here close to $500,000. That's the maximum amount you can get without triggering a match. So at this point, there is no match for this grant. It would just be a reimbursable grant up to $500,000 in design services for these specific needs.